guys, my name is Gwenmady Fernandez, a PSET first year college student, and this video will be about the tutorial on being culturally sensitive and aware when dealing with foreign customers. First, we're going to talk about what is culture sensitivity. Culture sensitivity is the awareness of human differences and commonalities. What will we do when we come across or have the opportunity to converse with others who have different cultures, values, and beliefs? Here's a little animation that I made to show a guide on how to interact with foreigners. Enjoy!
Good morning, mister. Welcome to the Philippines. May I know where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Wow! That's a beautiful country. Is it okay for us to talk using the English language, sir? Or do you want a translator?
No, it's fine, it's okay. I can understand and speak English. Thank you for asking.
That's great. So what would you like to order?
You would like to order some carbonara, pizza, and lemon juice.
Your order is carbonara, pizza, and lemon juice. I would like to ask, mister, do you want carbonara with chicken or carbonara with bacon?
Oh, thank you for asking that. I would prefer a carbonara with bacon.
How about the pizza, sir? With pineapple or without pineapple?
Absolutely no pineapple on pizza.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? A bacon carbonara, one pizza without pineapple, and lemon juice.
That's it. Grazie mille.
Thank you and you're welcome, mister. Your order will be here in 5 minutes. Excuse me and have a nice day. Hope you enjoy your meal.
In that little animation, it shows the conversation between the waiter and Italian customer in a Philippine restaurant. First, we need to be welcoming and respectful. Greet the customer politely and with a welcoming smile. Second, speak the universal language, which is English, in order to understand each other. Speak slowly for better understanding. Third, be polite when asking for something and be ready for challenges. Ask the foreign customer how you can help them if there's a chance that you cannot understand what the foreigner is asking because of language differences, try to apologize or ask someone for help. Fourth, be aware of their culture. If it is about ordering food, consider asking how they would like their food prepared to avoid any conflict after the food is served. Fifth, give a clear message. Make sure that you and the foreigner understand each other. In the animation, the waiter reads the order of the foreigner twice in order for each other to understand what was given or asked for will be the only order to be served. Sixth, be respectful. Be respectful when leaving the conversation. Leave by excusing yourself to show some respect. That's all. Thank you for watching.